Lizzie, Lizzie, I got a job. I gotta watch the camera.
Are you mad?
Alright. Alrighty. Who wants a turn now? Who wants a turn?
Doesn't matter.
Bring the dog to me, Lizzie. She...
Oh my goodness.
Walk her to me. I want to see if she wants to be near me. Jam! Out of the way. Jump, Frank. Out of the way. Jump, Frank!
I'll take that. I'll take that. I'm learning the cup maneuver. Where's it at?
Hey now, be careful with that.
Now when I push.
Oh, don't worry. I'll give you opening. Yeah, like me. Well, yeah, it's always good. It's really light on that body. I hit your shield. Did you really? Did I not have it tucked enough? What happened? Oh, that came just like this. Oh, no, that wasn't good on you then. Okay.
Oh, there's another person. Here's Dorothy. Lizzie, that's Dorothy. Right there in that car, that's Dorothy. Hey, Dorothy. I have a job. It's watching the camera. Lizzie! Lizzie! Come here, you want to see something? Lizzie, out there, come on. Now, sit in the chair. Sit in the chair. Hop in the chair. Oh! I gotta watch.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Now look in there, look in there. See? There's your dad and me. Now let me hop back in. I'm just showing her something.
I know, but we need to get ready to go.
I have a serious job to do, Mom. I can't leave it. Even if Lizzie will get it on. Mom, I want to stay the night.
Huh?
I want to stay the night.
No, not tonight.
Aww.
Okay.
I can't leave the camera because
Yes, you can.
not without Rex's
Okay.
permission.
Rex knows
Anything on that?
how to take care of this, okay? Don't make a scene. All right?
But I never got to
Okay.
put that.
Well, you can do it another time. You still have to get a shower. We have to get ready for school, okay?
But when I tell Lizzie, then she's going to get upset. I really want to...
I'm sorry, Mija. Lucy will be fine. Okay? Come on. Back up. Azrael, stop. So say goodbye to Daddy.
Camera, Sheldon. Just so you know. Yeah. Get out of the, get out of the camera view. They want to stay in this.
Hold on, Grim Cow. Grim Cow, hold. Hold!
What? Got school tomorrow, baby.
Come on, Ari, got your shoes in the car, baby.
I love you to infinity and beyond,
Ooh,
Ezra.
he got you. He got you.
Bye, Lizzie.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Yeah. I don't want harder in the cup. You're up.